Hey gang, Nate here. Just wanted to invite you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because what I do is I review stuff like that. And it's a power surge protector. So I hope you find this helpful and useful. This is a Super Danny. This is a 22 outlet. It's got 6 USBs at the power strip. I got this because I was running out of space for stuff. I needed to charge my phone. I had my laptop, I had my work laptop, my monitors, and all the devices that I have over my workspace. And I needed to expand to have more spots. So I'm really excited to get this because this one has surge protection and it is flame retardant as well. You can see there it says it. I haven't even opened this up yet. So I just wanted to unbox it real quick and check this out. There we go. This bad boy opened up. All right, here we go. So it comes, oh wow, this thing is, well, I'm never going to run out of spaces here, and it has plenty of long cord with this too. This has a really nice 3-prong end to it, and it also comes with a warranty as well. And so this is a basic user manual. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. You turn it on and off with this light, and you just plug in all of your cords right here. So I am never going to run out of space, I don't think. This is pretty cool, and I'm looking forward to getting this set up and getting this going. So you can see I have plenty of leftover slots, so I can add a lot more stuff to there, but it sure does look sharp, and it kind of keeps everything organized and in place. I like the fact that there's even a USB-C up there. I forgot that to mention that before. So if you're looking for a multi-slot surge protector, I highly recommend this. It looks sharp. Hey, I appreciate you watching this video. If you want to learn more information about that surge protection, there is a link in my description of this video and learn where you can learn more about it, see more reviews, not just my review, but other people's review. Click on that link and find more information. Check it out.